In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Thrustmaster T80 to Forza Horizon 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Thrustmaster T80 to work with Forza Horizon 5. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm only gonna be teaching you how to set it up if you are playing Forza Horizon 5 on PC. To my knowledge, using this on an Xbox console is basically impossible. There are some workarounds that might work, but they are complicated and in my opinion, not worth covering. So if you have this specific model of the Thrustmaster steering wheels and you want to use it for Forza Horizon 5, for this video I'm going to teach you how to do it on PC. So first, before you even try anything inside of the game, or you set it up there, just go over to the Thrustmaster support website. So go to support.thrustmaster.com. In here, you will be able to use the search function to look for the T80 model of steering wheels, and you can find it on the left here. So you have the T80 Ferrari, and then the standard T80 racing wheel. Choose whichever one you prefer. In here, you will be able to download the drivers, so choose the option to download drivers here for your specific model. You don't have to download both, and then run the executable file. The drivers will be installed and set up accordingly on your computer. Let this process finish, and if needed, restart your PC. Now once this is done, you will be able to open Forza Horizon 5. See if it works right away. Inside of the settings, you should be able to switch to steering wheel and see if it works. Now, if it doesn't work right away, then there are some alternative steps that you can take. First, press Windows+R and type joy.cpl, like this. This will allow you to see the steering wheels connected to your PC, and you can check the status. If it is okay, and you check for updates and the drivers are good to go, then it means that you will be able to use it inside of Forza Horizon 5 or any other compatible game. With this step out of the way, the next thing to do is to reconnect it into any of the other available USB ports on your PC. So switch the port, restart Forza Horizon 5, and see if it works when you go over to the settings. Steering wheel should be available. If it is still not available, the last recommendation that I have is to try to set it to controller mode. To do this, while you are plugging the steering wheel into your PC, press and hold the PlayStation or PS button. So start pressing the button before you connect the USB, and when you finish connecting the USB, keep holding it still. It should work in controller mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Thrustmaster T80 to Forza Horizon 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.